There is no danger. Man, what's wrong? Do you need help? He is opening his eyes. There is an excursion of the chest. He is responding with a groan. Help, man is in trouble. I am going to medical kit. Let's assume that everything necessary to provide assistance is available. I am assessing patience of the airways. Respiratory tract is visually clear. I am doing pulse oximeter. Saturation 88 to 93%. I am estimating the frequency of respiratory movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 movements in 10 seconds. I am doing the chest percussion. There is a clear pulmonary sound on the left and right sides. I am performing an auscultation at the same points. Rigid breathing, exhaling is severely hampered, dry wheezing over the entire surface of the lungs. I am examining the veins of the neck and determining the positions of trachea. Trachea is normal, neck veins are swollen. I am examining the cardiovascular system. I am starting with the pulse. I am detecting the pulsation of the peripheral arteries on both sides. The pulse is same on both sides. The pulse is weak. I am counting the pulse on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pulse is 18 beats in 10 seconds. Low pulse volume. I am measuring blood pressure. Blood pressure is 120/80. I am doing an auscultation of the heart. Heart tones are frequent. I place the ECG electrodes on red right arm, yellow left arm, green left leg, black right arm, and 6 chest leads. I am determining the white spot symptoms. The white spot symptoms disappear after 2 seconds. Venous catheter is available. I am doing a skin assessment. Skin is warm in all areas and there is a cyanosis. I am assessing the nerve system. I take a torch and assess the reaction of the pupils. The pupils are same. The photoreaction is saved. I am assessing the glucose level. Blood glucose level is 6.3 mole per liter. I am assessing a muscle tone. Muscle tone is normal. I turn the patient to a side. I assess the back for the presence for visible injuries and bleeding. No visible injuries or bleedings are detected. I am conducting a rectal examination. There are fecal masses on the finger without features. I am changing the gloves. I am assessing the signs, hamstrings for the presence of varicose vein. No varicose veins are found. I am assessing the signs and forefeet for swelling. No edema was detected. I am assessing the pulse on femoral vessels. Pulse on the femoral arteries is frequent, low pulse volume. I am performing a superficial palpation of the abdomen. The abdomen is without features. I am performing a thermometer. The temperature is normal. I am calling an ambulance. I am a general practitioner, Alexei Dmitrievich Semenov. I am located at 12 Karol Liebentecht Street. Here is a man 45 years old, weight 60 kilograms, height 160 centimeters. Preliminary diagnosis, acute coronary syndrome. I am starting treatment. Copy that, standby. Treatment. We need acetyl salicylic acid 300 mg. I take a 4 for 75 mg tablets. I give them to the patient to chew, to gulp down. Take clopidogrel 600 mg, 475 mg tablets. Please chew and gulp down. Take a solution, morphine hydrochloride 1% mg, diluted to 20 ml by 0.9 sodium chloride We inject the drugs into the venous catheter.